Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV today. Today I'm not going to tell you how to use a camper or how to share a quick tip with you, but today I want to talk about family. So all year long we run at 1,000,000 miles an hour to try to take care of all our customers and everything that goes on in the RV world. And this is the time of year where we really get to kind of take 2 seconds and look back at all the time we spent and all the times that we spent with our family and reflect on that. That just makes me feel wonderful in this holiday season. So I hope you guys can slow down your busy lifestyles and take a look back and see all the times that you spent with your family, and think about maybe some of the times that you want to spend with your family in the future, especially if it's in that new RV. So thank you from everyone at Pete's RV Center, everyone from my extended family, and hopefully yours as well. We look forward to a great 2025, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone out there. Thanks again from everyone at Pete's RV.